Hello friends, welcome to Infotechnest. I am Aniket Singh, Power Platform consultant. In this video we are going to discuss about introduction of Power Platform. So before starting this, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel to keep motivating me to share video. So first of all, we will discuss about what is Power Platform. If you think Power Platform is the name of a single technology, then you are not right. Power Platform not the name of a single technology. It is a set of 4 major applications: PowerApp, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent. These sets of applications allow you to build a business application that automate processes, build solution, analyze data, and create virtual agent for your business. Microsoft released this in 2018, and the goal of Microsoft is to make it first choice for low-code, no-code development platform for all of the companies in the world. Let's discuss about one by one about these components of the Power Platform. First one is PowerApp. It is a low-code, no-code platform as a service which facilitates developers to build business applications quickly without writing multiple lines of codes. A developer can simply drag and drop UI components and modify it according to their requirements. You cannot write or edit HTML code in the PowerApp. There is a specific language, PowerFX, in short we call it PFX. This language is used in PowerApp to develop application. A developer can use any modern web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. to build the application using PowerApp. There are two different types of PowerApps. First one is Canvas application and second one is model driven application. Previously Portal app was also the part of PowerApp, but now Microsoft has released it as a standalone product named Power Pages. We will discuss briefly about this application in next video. In this video I am trying to give you an overview of all major components of the Power Platform. So after the Power App, next is Power BI. This is a business analytic tool which facilitates users or developers to develop a rich data visualization. A developer can build informative reports and dashboards to show important data about the sales or customer services or any other business function. There is no restriction of data source to bring data into Power BI. There are more than 275 connectors available in the Power Platform to connect data sources like SQL, Dynamics, or from other file server like Excel, etc. So this is about the Power BI, and next one is Power Automate. It is also known as Microsoft Flows. This allows users to make automations of business work without writing 100 or 1000 lines of code. It reduces burden of manual work daily, and also it reduces the chance of human mistakes. For example, if an employee fills the form of leave, then with the help of Power Automate, an approval request will be sent automatically to the manager. Once manager clicks on approve or reject button from the email, employee receives an email automatically that leave is approved or rejected. Same as if you want to send a notification daily to all of employees in the business, you can create a scheduled Power Automate to send notifications daily. The Power Automate sends notification daily automatically without any manual task. After this, it comes to Power Virtual Agent. Power Virtual Agent allow you to create a powerful chatbots for your customers or employees or for visitors to your website. A user or developer can create a chatbot with no or little coding knowledge using Power Virtual Agent. Most of time you have also seen that when you open any website, then a text box open automatically and asks how may I help you or something else. and it also replies to your questions. So this type of chatbots you can create using Power Virtual Agent. This is a short description of Power Platform. If you have any query, then please mail me on given mail ID in the description. Thanks for watching.